Hello. Oh. Give me a minute. No minute. Nearly there. Another minute. Just realised I'm still wearing my dressing gown. That's not good. Hi. How are you? Oh, excuse me. Oh. Well. There we go. I see you, you see me, I see you. Or is it I see you watching me, watching you, watching me? That's what it is, isn't it? Oh, boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah. How about music? Yep. continuing on from last time. I realised that voice. The ambient colours are HDR, and HDR don't use an alpha. Plus, they're stored as a vector folder. Just to confuse you. Sure. As you can see, I'm now doing this where we take the colour, we get the hex, and then we add in the intensity as a hex as well, because it can be -10 to 10. So it's 0 to 9, and then A equals 10. Not got far to testing it yet because we're still not saving those values as supposed to. Oh, dear me. Equator. So this will be the test to see. If it works or not. Oh. Just have to do some stretches. Not sure if they've done me any favours on my back. And I did focus on the back. I start getting pain on the top, and when you get pain on top of your head, apparently it's your neck. Your neck's connected to your back, and your back's connected to your ass, and your ass is connected to your mouth. Our expectations. In the modular backgrounds, we override, set these, and then they should be a intensity of 0, still -10. Right. It's like default intensity. Default intensity. Outside the field. Why? Yeah. Anywho. So we're like, set that to 5, set that to 0, set that to +5. We have our red, we have our green, we have our blue. Save as test. And then red, green, blue, alpha. Don't be stupid. HDR color field, get HDR color, get hex color, RGB, fuck the A. And so get rid of the alpha in there and see if it loads correctly. Oh boy. modular. Wink. Load. Wink. Wink. Really? Well, okay. Why? What we're doing there, man? What? What? Oh, what am I doing? Nothing that makes sense. Is that? G. G. B. No. No, no, no. Now, what the fudge? Oh. What are we trying to get here? So vector 4. So hex to vector 4. Hex to vector 4. So, public static get HDR color. That's a vector 4. And we pass in a string of the hex H HDR hex color. And this is where so color equals the color utility. Got the try the pass. I'll do it that way. We're putting in the HDR color up to the first 5 or 6. Does this work? Yeah, that's yeah. Right, 0 to 5. And then return. Oh no. Var intensity equals 0, and then var hex intensity. Well, set it as 0, and then if I got the HDR hex color, and then 68. And let's make sure we can actually do that. HDR color dot rather equal to 8. So that would be 7. Then we can do that, and then we could only do this if HDR color hex 11 rather than equal to 6, I guess. We can cover that one, and then if it's not, oh, you know what? 8. And next 4, 0, mother ducker, because we can't be bothered handling anything else. So now I don't have to check for that, because we just do that. And then we've got our colour, we've got our intensity. And therefore, our red, green, and blue, and intensity val. So it's 0 if X intensity equals plus A intensity value equals 10. Else, if it's the opposite, is a minus, eh? Then it's minus 10 bells. I will just blah. Blah. And try pass X intensity out of the intensity value. Yes. With great excitement. Humbly. In admiration and great pride and proudness. I have a migraine. With great excruciating pain. Ow. Ding. Software update tonight, only if you're plugged in. So this will get our HDR color from HDR hex color. Cool. Cool. So then because we're doing it with this cached stuff, shit. There you go. So we are either passing vector 4 or failing and passing the default. So I suppose if that works, we do that. Otherwise, it fucking fails. Don't do that. Or that's about them apples. We get our X intensity. We set our value. That goes into there. Cool. So now, can we actually do what we're trying to do? Get HDR color, in which all we have to do now actually is none of this. Excuse me, I said none of this. You can just pass in. And this. And then say if it fails, use that. Remains lighting colour. What? Shut up, bodyhead. Oh, right. Oh.
Andrew Davey just followed.
Andrew Davey, how you doing, pal? Thanks for the follow. You having a good day? Just currently working on my level editor to create a custom skybox with custom lighting so that we can create awesome looking space scenes for my space combat game. And we're getting there. It took a week longer than I thought for the lighting stuff, because it's like, oh, maybe I'll do this in a week. We just entered into the start of week 3. But it's imperative I get it right so that I don't fuck up all the mission scripting with bad lighting stuff and spend more time fixing stuff across multiple mission formats when it comes up with an error. So like the last few days is like finding issues and fixing them and learning other things and applying them. Let's see, so go to module backgrounds, we override our lighting and we're focusing on this part. So I have a red, a green, a blue. -5, 0, 10. Save that. Let's see what I do there. Click new. So wiped out. Load the test. Come back in. And all the intensity values are set to 0. Yet. Those are correct. RGB, and then yeah, that. Okay. So why is the intensity 0? Because, well, we're doing it here. Let's have a look. Let's see how it does it. So we come in, we get our hex intensity of 0. Oh. Yeah, we forgot about the hash. Hash RGB. XX. high intensity. So that's 7 to 8. Yeah. Must include hash. Start. Not like I need to do that, but you know. And then yes, start extract the intensity hex code. That should be pretty explanatory for the rest. Failed on color. So is the past default white. So all we need to do is just load and see if it loads. Now what? Default cannot be that because blah 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 blah. Because I guess that's not a constant. Since when? When would the struct change for that? It wouldn't. Comes load. No errors. Good. GB, all still 0. Fantastic. Yeah, we've got the colours right, so we're making progress. Probably is doing it, which is probably not. Doing something stupid, aren't we? Set colour, HDR colour, using vector 4. Let's see what it does. So, first of all, so we know we're getting the color, and now we're getting the hex color, which is minus. What the fuck, Norton? Pop up for no reason in a web browser of all things. Absolutely noisy thing. Right, so why 78? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9 then. up to 9, excluding 9? Is that what it's... Don't know. Here we were, thinking we were being clever. But we're not. Alright, there we go. Intensity values now. Save and load. Load again. There's something in here. Use sunflare false. Use sunflare true. Do that. Oh, sunflare. And look, skybox. So yeah, that's working there. If I do new, was there something in? No, that's done that. What was it? Was something specific I wanted to do? Let's just bang that down there. If skybox is selected and then override lighting is turned on, populate the light settings with skybox. Okay. Was there not something else?
Zolily1 just followed.
Hello, how you doing, mate? Thank you for the follow. Hope you're having a good day. Why is that? Yeah, why are these setting the alpha? How confusing. So secular HDR. Oh yeah. That's why. What do you mean, which type of programming? You're talking programming language? Or whether this is software programming or game development programming. So I can't just do circular. Well, yeah, so C#.net, basically, since C# uses the .NET stuff in Unity, because Unity uses some really old version of .NET. Looking in the player, where is it? not seeing it these days. Just .NET Framework now. They've not bothered telling us what version of the .NET Framework is. I think they're embarrassed, so they decided to hide the version of the .NET Framework. Because they were like, last time I saw it was like 3.5. And that was back when .NET was on like something 6 or 7. So, you know. Swings and ruined the boots. I don't need the latest .NET anyway, so everything they adding just makes everything more slower. Like link expressions and whatnot. Full of garbage collection as well that you need to avoid. So how to handle this? We get this. Set color. So we'll be clever for our own good, and then HDR color dot W equals 1. Full alpha to set the color. So at the particular moment, I'm working on my level editor, or mission editor, however you want to call it. And I've added in some modular backgrounds. Which allow you to set your scene for a video game. So you could use skyboxes, or a combination of skyboxes and modular backgrounds. Once this loads. Or we can say, well, you know what? We'll use our own custom skybox, not bother with that one, and create scenes. And then what I'm doing now is the lighting. It's like that's the sun source, wherever I might want it to be when I add a texture for the sun into the scene. So what's that one? 330 plus 180. 220. And then not quite. Has to be that way. So yeah, it's a rough guesstimate of how the sun system would work, if not entirely accurate for the lens flare. Or did you not understand? And at the moment now it's to do with this. Colours. Let's do flat, shall we? So let's set the sky colour to be pink of huge intensity. Why was that 0 as well? So now we'll have a very bright looking spaceship. Oh no, I didn't set it. So there's the sun. There's my background. And where's my pink sky? Did not set it. Didn't do that. Interesting. So why? So it set it to this. because it failed to do the colour. I don't know why, because we only did it for the panel. So I want to copy that and find all references to this, and then when we do it again, is it this one? No, already there. Is it this one we get? Hex color values. It's not that one. Where is it? Skybox loader. No, that's not you. Not you. Skybox lighting gets shut now. Skybox selector. Spell. And then it's being called with this. And it's probably within the background helper. Yeah, we're just setting lighting, which is this, which is no longer correct. Alright, sun color, fill color, real-time shadow. This is our ambient one. It's been a project I've been working on for the last 3 years, and then before that another game that I released, which was more to do with space fighters than anything else. And that one took a very long time to get because I progressed through many different programming languages before settling on Unity, and then spent several months working on it every year, and then not working on it for a fair amount of time, even a year at a time. And then in the last 3 years before release, worked on it as much as I could. That came out in 2020. So I'm just building on a framework to build upon that. And now HDR color field, you are there. Gonna have to sort these namespaces out. Let's see. So if the lighting sky colors, no thank you. I'm not looking for an artist. So this is going to be a 0 because I just said no. Please respect my decision. Don't need to be pushy on it. So sky color's length is that. We'll start off with 0 and then use that, get our color. And then if it's 3, we get our colors that way. So maybe now it'll work. Oh. So I got the 1. Wasn't that supposed to be purple? Just save that, see. F. That's probably pulling that. Okay, that's not right. Yeah, that's not right. Back to this. Why? You're messing up. There's it. See you. Excuse me. What you doing? Are we not doing that? No. So when are we setting the data? Putting the cache, doing Skybox lighting. Here. Is it because trying to get our colors ourselves? Yeah, that's why. We got all that code and we're not using it here. Unbelievable. It's bottom a mile away. So we've got data, ambient hex colors 0. What color is you? Color, not black. Okay, sorted you out. And then what a wally. Don't even need to do that. You can just do that. Because it's exactly what we're doing with that. Amazing, is it not? Amazing. Oops. Oh, that's getting us a vector 4, and then yeah, same shit, different way. Well, we could do that. Now we've got a lighting colour, and then put it into there as a vector 4, which will set it as we need to set it. And then we could also just put it in there. Simple, effective. And then I can do these. So now get rid of that. And look, we did it here. Yeah, oh yeah, it's just the first colour. If we use all three, they work fine, because that's what we did. Just set that blue, since the others are blue. So we get that, and then we do it the other way, don't we? Either way works, as long as it works. That's hilarious. So the last two people who followed me unfollowed me. Straight away. So let's see. Have you actually? Okay. That's funny. So if you want to be a Twitch streamer, you just got to roll with these bots and silly people who do daft shit for whatever. Thinks they give themselves meaning in their lives, but you know, it's quite worrying. Right, so that's working now, he says. We'll bring up 10 for why didn't it update the freaking colour correctly? That's now 10, so we should get this really bright colour, but we don't. Cause it's probably still not set it. Set it to a gradient. It's not even set the third colour. What is going on now? Sky colours. Vector 4, 1. Vector 4, 0. You know? And you think, you know, you don't know. So that is going to be in actually module background helper. And it's like, well, what is going on at this point? Oh, just restart. And now, so sky color's length is a 1. Okay. So we come in here and then looking good so far. We got our hex color purple. It's got red and blue. Census value 10. Yes. Hello there. Ooh, first time shot straight away. Demo. Yeah, try the demo. Space game. If you like combat and flying around in space fighters, then it's sort of that. Apart from now, it's still dogfighting with Corvette ships and turrets and damageable sections and subsystems and damage repair systems and campaigns, single player and all that. So now we got this. Then we want to see what happens in Skybox Selector when we come to set the lighting. Because we must get to there. We probably do, but not at that point where it's actually done it. Bollocks. So it's already set the lighting, does it? No? We're not setting the lighting anymore? No, we're not. Dumbass. Oops. Also, why are we setting all the colours if we're using custom lighting? Why are we doing it this way? Alright, so... yeah, well... either way... we should be doing that, shouldn't we? So we either load that or come in and not use custom lighting. Okay, yeah, so if we're using custom lighting, then we'll do it at that point, because then otherwise we're going to use the lighting of the skybox. Oh! That makes some sense. Oh. Oh. I think I need to take a leg stretch. Oh, that's looking better. There we go. HDR intensity value 0, but it should be 10. Should be like that. So why is it not doing that bit? Well, there's only one way to find out. It's like, oh, what is wrong with you, buddy? Don't need to load, just need to launch. So we're coming in and we've got our sky colours of Vector 4. Yeah, that's fine. And then we're coming to do our lighting. So we're out in the correct place and we're looking at our sky colours for ambient sky colour. Right. And we don't come in there again. So now why, when we've set the ambient colour, does the intensity not actually update? When we had it working not long ago. Do we have to do new Vector 4? And pass it as a Vector 4 fucking twice. It's like, what the fuck you on about? Vector 4 does not contain a constructor that takes one argument. Why did this work before but isn't working now? Just do that. See if that works. Don't need that. Load. Wow. Why is it all of a sudden just decided to not work? What the fuck is this shit here? What the fuck is this bullshit? That's the skybox asset reference. We're not doing that. So why would we even try? We either doing this and that. Oh, one of these skyboxes are not like the others. I've been out 7 times. So a few too many times we're doing that. In fact, I don't even know why I'm needing to get into there, because you just click here and see it's in here. So why is it red? Now, did it actually? Doesn't do anything with the intensity still. Does it? Are we wired up to do anything with the intensity? Because every time we change it, it would update it. No. Ambient sky color. See, it's still set to that. We've got the linear. So why would it not want to oh, okay, we're coming in again, and that doesn't matter because still setting it to that. Why did it call it 3 times though? It's just being funny because, yeah, that's why. It's not even updating the environment in that place. It's not loading it. Ooh, hang on a minute. Oh, I need a break. What do I say? So we launch, and then is it still going to be purple? Still purple. Okay. So what? Should be that, and it's not. Okay. Why is it telling me it's setting the colour when it doesn't? Oh, fuck me. I'm a dumbass, aren't I? Because we did that. So it is. It's just... Ah, right. Let's see. So let's see. Why is it now all of a sudden not working? What can we find? So that's what we looked at last time. Right, that was not the one. This was the second one I looked at, and That was saying ambient intensity. I'm pretty sure that doesn't apply. So let's try searching on this instead. Or actually we're getting down there. No. Is that it? Is that it? Ambient mode, equator, come on. Is it because I'm using the wrong thing? So, looking at the docks, equator ground, flat ambient, sky. Was it this one? Flat ambient lighting mode uses colour. It has the same value as ambient sky colour. Ugh. How about, let's see, history. Yesterday's history. Oh my word. That's yesterday's, is it? So, around about, come on. Really? If you're going to group by date, can you actually give me the dates? So like 9, 8, 7, 8 yesterday. Let's see. Did you really just fucking do that, you bastard? You see HDR color signing via scripts. Yeah. Talks about materials, but but we're not using the material. we have to do though? Says in the inspector book. Skybook selector. Color usage, true. Is it because of this? It was a colour 32. So now that it's that. Do we not then have to just do colour 32? And then it'll just like magic it out, no? No. No. I will not be impressed if that's how we have to do that again. But if it works, then at least I'll be happy. But I don't understand it. I actually had it working yesterday, and it was like, this is all I need to do, and it's actually my Trello board, isn't it? Use a vector 4, pass the RGB of the colour, and the fourth being the intensity value being -10 to 10. And that's what we're doing. And that is exactly what we did yesterday. So now, why is there no fucking consistency? Still no fucking intensity. You know. If you know, you know. Ka-ding, ka-dong. So what's this calling it when we come in here? Ugh, really? So many different places. Whatever. Only interested in that and that. Blink. go. So that didn't say any lighting, did it? So this doesn't set any lighting at this point. Why? Skybox exit reference skybox lighting. Ground lighting. Set. We set it. Why is it doing everything else? Why is it not calling this? Why is it now all of a sudden calling this? On rotation change. So now. Oh, fuck me. So before you can even get there. There. Load. Boop. Sky colors 0. Don't talk daft. Now we come in here. And ambient sky color is now been set to. Oh, it's got the value of 10. It should have the value of -10 after what we just did. Yeah, of course it can't. So if why don't we just catch it there like we did and see what the value is now? Ambient intensity, sky color. Is that what it is? We are passing in a value of much higher than what it should. Is that what it is? Is that what it is? Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Or is it want to get ACR color? Want to know what value we're getting out? What our color utility's doing? So we don't care about you anymore. Or you. I care about what you are. Ugh. So it's exactly that. There's nothing else to it, is it? Nothing else. Nope, nothing else at all. And I mean, it's going like that. Fucking hell. Anything with a minus fucking 10? Is this now it? Is it like, no, you can get fucked. Flat color, flat. Sky color. There's a 10, you're a 10. How the fuck did I do this? Light intensity. Probably not. Stop being a bitch. Only way I can try and figure this out now is to restore an old project. And by old, I mean from yesterday. Okay, that's extracting. I honestly don't know why. not working. Did we actually get rid of the bit of code that I tried and it worked? Now I'm suffering for it. Yeah. What's in that little bit of test code that I did? Well, I could be looking in the wrong place for it. Well, that was the easy part. Really? Ugh. Right. So we'll just close this one out because I don't want to get confused. Yes, stop debugging, my word. Then we'll open up this one. Blah, blah. Hmm. Is that it? Is that actually how it does it? It just multiplies the fucking colour. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Oh, this will take fucking forever to load in now. You know? Oh, maybe I should make myself a cuppa. Oh, why not? Try to cut down and... Oh my word, I've been on the beer at my screen all this time. Fucking muppet. Well, let's pretend this never happened. How long's it been going like that for? Oh, for the last 20, 30 minutes. Wow. He's so smart. All these bots in here. Enjoying the welcome back screen. Alex. So bad. So fucking bad. You know. Oh, shit. forget. Oh, what a clown. I'm a freaking clown. 2 hours of streaming and half an hour of that is on the be right back screen and talking all this time, and that's what you get when you have 0 viewers. Woohoo! Despite having a screen at the side of me to try and remind myself that I'm doing it or not. Anyway, we're not going to worry about that. So, I want to see the code for the background lighting for that one particular piece of code that allowed us to do what we want to do. Okay, let's see if we find that. It's going to be on the hexes, isn't it? With the see, before it was color 32. Where is it? Like V4, find in current documents. That wasn't finding current documents. Oh my word. So it doesn't exist there. So solution. Oh. How do you like say match case, but also match the entirety of just the fucking thing? It's not that. Not that. It's not this. Oh my word. Just have to find out where we're using Vector 4 then. Very serious. Float 4? Go all the way downstairs to get to mine, or what? No float 4 in there. There's no... It was all just a dream. Right. Maybe. No. Oh, here it is. Look, before. So, yeah. And what we say, we're going to have a 10 for that. So save as test HDR. Super duper bright fucking color, which is looking like that, I guess. I don't get it. How is that different to what we were doing earlier? The bite of the 32. We don't want to just do that just yet, thank you. So we get to here, and then we want to see what is going on. Look at that. So it's the bigger values, not the small ones. So it needs to be stored or converted to a color 32. Bleh. So it can be implicitly converted. Therefore, so we come out of that. We're done with this. It's bedtime. Alright, bye. Ooh. Ba, 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 ba. I feel like I'm getting stressed and I just need to chill and just let it wash over. There's no rush other than the deadline I impose on myself. And I don't need to impose a deadline because I'm keeping everyone updated with where I'm at least once a month. So, well, trying to do once a month. I did hope to do updates every month, but last one was only a progress update rather than a patch. So hopefully, it will be worth it for what we're doing, and hopefully the owner will get back to me with this package I'm doing and alleviate any concerns that I have with him using generative AI, which is then heavily edited. Because Steam has its own policy on that, and it's not to infringe on any copyrights. And if it's doing that, which has been very quiet, so whether he's away or he's ignoring, because the last time I emailed him, he replied within 24 hours. So a little worrying, because if that's the case, then I won't be able to use those assets that I've paid for and that Unity are selling on their store. If that's the case. Shall see. Because I might as well let them know that I'm using generative stuff, let Valve check on the update for this. And then if there are any issues, at least it won't pull down anything else. And then I can just cry. Cry, cry, cry indeed. And then find alternatives. Let's see then. What are we doing? So now skybox selector. This still needs to be a color 32. So we shouldn't be changing that. And now can we actually just put you in there as it is? And then we just make sure that wherever you've been used and called and set, we are treating you for the colour 32 that you're expected to be. Right, look at all these issues. So you know, here's this back to color 32. What? So we have, I've got the alpha, what's still in here? So this is actually going to be a color 32. What? All right. Why are you being a bitch? Yeah, I don't know if that'll work or not, but you know. How many more errors do we have to try and fix? We have that. No? So we have to explicitly say you're a colour 32 and then just pass it the colour. If only I knew this sooner, I wouldn't have had to be doing all this backtracking. And when you have those little thoughts and then you just dismiss them so quickly. Yeah, I was one of them. I thought, how can colour 32 be any different than a vector 4? Well, apparently it can. All compiler errors. So please, just work now. Because we've effectively wasted the day doing this. And even I'm not finding this all that interesting. Hey, oh, I was going like, what? Why can't I hear anything? Have I just turned down my... Yes, turned it down, headset. So when we load test, did that even work right? No. Why not? Set the alpha. It's not setting the intensity still, is it? Let's try it when we get to this point, because you never know. And we do know. Just not doing anything. Shout spot. So we have this sky colors 0. If I just set that to 10 there. Come on. Let me do that. Why is it 0? What are you not doing right? Yep. We get our intensity, that is -1. We got our colour. And then we go, right, let's set our colour, as is that, intensity value, -1. Return that, and it says, screw you, dude. Does it not like me trying to change that struct? It's not giving me any warnings. It generally says this is not read-only. You need to make a copy and save it back. So do we do call the alpha equals 1 or equals intensity value? Pass it through that way and then see what it does. Test. And loaded it. Yes. Breakpoint there. Launch. Launch. And then okay. Bye. Why won't they let me do that? How about a colour? To a colour. Come on. Why are you being such a bitch about this? Sometimes it just makes you wonder why I'm being a bitch. Property and I pass it to the 32. Intensity. Oh, I'm asking ChatGPT, and given that there's no fucking answer to the internet, it's just going to spout some gibberish. Still thinking about it. Even ChatGPT doesn't have a fucking clue because no one's ever encountered this issue before. Look. Just thinking about it. Stumped. Scrolling through everything it possibly can, but it doesn't have that information. And now it's just telling me I don't know what I'm talking about. And that if I want to do what I want to do, I have to do something else. What's up? How are you doing?
Daniel Henry Zero just followed.
Ooh, I'm just falling asleep. And why not? I don't get it. I don't get it at all. Why would it do this to me? Is it a vector 4 to a colour 32? This 4 equals new vector 4. Then you muppet. You don't just come in. And then post your shit trying to advertise. What do you think you are? Why the fuck would I want to go to an external site which is known for having accounts taken over from a nobody? Because you're a nobody. Anyhow, enjoy this ban. You're not welcome here, selling your shit. You're not the first and you won't be the last, but... It's one of those, what is it, like... Yo bro, fam, whoa, yeah, look at this, yeah, fam. Right, now, I was going to say, what the fuck? What the deuce? Why is that complaining now? Do I have to do a new color 32 to that? And then go X, Y, Z. W. And it's like, no, can't do that. Well, how the fuck did I do it before? Well, gonna have to go back to my other projects again and find out. And the fact that it was a restricted user shows that Twitch is aware of his behaviour. What a clown. Okay, let's try this again. Was it in the Skybar selector? Or was it in the modular helper? Oh. I can pass that directly in there. Into a colour. So Ooh. Oop. So fucking hell. Why is it not working? Well, what are we doing there? Oh, this isn't it. Do we need to? Here we go again. No, even though it's set to 10, it's set to something slightly less. But yeah, that's sort of better now. Why are we getting that slight inaccuracy though? No. Back. What are we doing then? What is happening? You see our cool field. We're looking at this. Should be doing that. Just when you think you're getting things to work, lo and behold, you don't. Madness. We're on the wrong fucking editor now. Oh, fucking dickhead. So before we look environment, and that's set to that, and then we load, and then it's set to that. HDR. Where the fuck am I? I'm in the wrong fucking editor as well. Oh my word. YouTube is glitching and buffering, it says. Drop frames. 0.1%. Now. That's you, and then you is set into cached using color. But no. That should be a color 32, my friend. So that might be a part of the reason. Also, want to keep the color 32 value. We don't want to keep changing it around. Oh my word. Shit. Oh no, I can actually just do. Because it's a different thing altogether, aren't we? Delegate? Delegate. So on value change this value, which is not quite what we want to do because we want to get the HDR. Like that. You'd thought colours be an absolute nightmare. What time is it? We're finishing up in a few minutes anyway. Who knows how long I could end up spending if this doesn't work now. Thing's not right anyway. That is. see. Well, didn't we set that to -10? And I bet this is set to fucking 8 again, isn't it? Of course it is. Why the fuck else would it be set to? What is it stored as? It is stored as that. So when we're looking at this, what are you returning as? Oh, it's still a fucking colour. Come on, just fucking get with the program. What? Vector 4 to colour. Why am I just going crazy? Where did I get colour 32 all this time? And that was exactly what it was anyway. So why? But it's just a fucking colour. But this is a colour 32. Doing the wrong fucking thing anyway. I want HDR colours, that's right. Want it as colour, because that's what's going to have it. The colour 32 is not what it is. When do you get used? See, we went from colour 32 to vector 4, back to a colour 32, and we should be using colour. Is that what it is? What did I say about stopping in a few minutes as well? Is that it? Give over. See, I didn't think it would be. something nagging at the back of my head for some reason. What is it? Okay, no errors. Excuse me. Seems we need to have this to be able to set the skybox for all the reasons, and then fucking intensity 0. Load. -1. No. Right, if that needs to be a vector 4 for it to work, then we need to set it to a fucking vector 4. Why are we going back there again? Oh look, what we're doing in vector fucking 4 again, which brings us up to here. Right, let's just... What happens when we get to that point? Come on now. Oh. Where else? Everywhere else. Did I not add a vector 4 on this? Oh boy. Am I in the right front? Yes. Vector 4. Set color. Your color. Does this get set? How did that jump? Oh my word, really? Fucking editors have been stupid. Oh. At least it's not me. I just witnessed it. Fucking editors pile of wank. Microsoft, you're making a fucking shit show of this. HDR color. Back to fucking 4 again. Term. And okay, set color, new color, HDR color, HDR color, set the alpha to 1. Is that how you do it? Not sure. Could be bullshit. Set color, color lighting. Well, of course. Yeah, of course. Are we ready? I must stop after this, certainly. Oh, I don't think any good's gonna come from it. Right, trying to carry on, because... just tired. Can't think straight. Let's see, so we're doing what? Colour of one. We're going to set colour, and... Oops. How did I get that wrong? How did I get that wrong? How strange. Come on, last time now. I'm at a breaking point, surely. Da, 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 da. Yes. Okay. So it didn't load the -10, but that's not looking very hopeful now. Is it even making any fucking difference? Well, you can't really go negative, can you? Because that just fuck off. Plus, it's also the wrong fucking value. Why the fuck is it saying +10 in the file? I'll give up. Right, that's it. Rage quit. Thanks for watching. If you're wondering what I'm working on, go check out my demo. It's on Steam. Copy that. Stick it in the YouTube. Where is it? A-Spec. Yes. So page. So that's where the link will take you. See here, Space Combat game. Newtonian physics. It's a simcade, so it's a cross between arcade and simulation, so it's not hardcore. Well, we've got gimbal weapons, turrets, damage control system, repair system, multiple types of different weapons, including missile launchers, directives, objective monitoring, kind of thing, like stuff you get in free space, damageable quadrants and layers, and internal subsystems that affect performance of the ship. So check it out.